I've got no words.
Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Rulani Mokwena has slammed Bafana Bafana for Aubrey Modiba's injury, which he sustained while on national duty. Modiba played 90 minutes in both FIFA World Cup qualifiers for Bafana Bafana against Benin and Rwanda. The 20-year-old wing-back helped Hugo Bross's men claim a 2-1 victory against Benin on the 18th of November at Moses Mabhida Stadium. They went on to suffer a shock 2-0 defeat against Rwanda on the 21st of November at Huye Stadium. Sundowns had 7 players representing Bafana Bafana in the World Cup qualifiers. Ronwen Williams, Grant Kekana, Motobi Mvala, Khuliso Mudau, Themba Zwane, Teboho Mokwena and Aubrey Modiba were all in action for South Africa. Meanwhile, the former SuperSport United winger has been crucial for Sundowns in the 2023-2024 campaign. He featured in 17 games in all competitions, scoring 3 goals while contributing 1 assist. The Gluorgop-based side has already won silverware this season after clinching the inaugural African Football League final against Wydad Casablanca a few weeks ago. Rulani Mokwena has confirmed that Modiba came back from a national duty carrying an injury. The coach expressed his disappointment in Bafana Bafana's technical team for playing Modiba while carrying an injury and said the FIFA break is a very difficult one because it had World Cup qualifiers, particularly for Bafana Bafana, and they came on the back of a hectic schedule for our players. There was an overload. Even Hugo Bross mentioned it one of his press conferences, and it's also interesting for me because I get to watch our players play in different positions. It's nice to see Modiba play left back for Bafana. I like it because for us he plays a different role, so it's interesting to see the adaptation. Sailor Khuliso Mudau plays a little bit of a different role. Teboho Mokwena also plays a double pivot with Pepelo Sithole. I'm a bit disappointed because Modiba came back with an injury, and information I get is that there was already the pain, but he still had to play 290 minutes on an artificial turf like that in Rwanda with the injury, and now might have Modiba out for a little bit longer. Motobi now also comes back from Bafana Bafana with an injury, so that for me is also worrying because I haven't had Motobi on the pitch today training. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.